I guess from my perspective, I look at the fact that everybody these days has one of these.
Yep.
So everybody becomes a photographer when they want to be.
Yep.
And people will quite easily log on, and everyone now believes that they can be a designer because of certain things that can be done.
Yep.
And it causes issues for our printers in terms of the way that they receive some of the files. Do you want to just perhaps talk about some of the inefficiencies that there are in that sort of pre-press environment?
So I mean there's lots. Obviously you're getting PowerPoint presentations, you're getting JPEGs, TIFF files, when really what you need is a PDF.
High-res
print
PDF.
ready, high res, bleed, ticks, cut marks, registration marks on it, and away you go. That then goes through a process and it's end to end.
Yeah.
And it can be seamless. But obviously when the file submitted is incorrect, that's when the problems start, and then it just snowballs and it gets further down the chain.
And some of the problems that you might see in receiving a particular file would include what?
It could be low res, it could be RGB. It looks great on your phone at that size, but obviously when you blow it up to anything bigger than say A5 even, suddenly it's not high res.
Yeah, and I know from sort of personal experiences, fonts that are not that potentially could be missing. You mentioned before crop marks.
If images aren't flattened, so all the layers are sitting on top of each other, the
file
when it goes
size.
through the rip, file size can cause an issue as well. So there's a whole host of problems, unfortunately.
And these are all problems that endpoint customers wouldn't necessarily be aware of.
No.
And they just feel that by sending something into the printer that it should just be managed and dealt with.